everyone. My name is Lenny Umbon. I am the second reporter of Unit 6. My topic is the 6.2, the legal basis of assessment for individuals with disabilities. So, basis, it is a laws that protect the rights and prevent discrimination for all students, including the students with disabilities. But before we start, I have a questions for you. So what do you think would happen if a student has trouble learning because of disability? Your answer is right because maaapektuhan talaga ang isang mag-aaral kapag mayroon siyang disabilities. Kaya nga, may mga batas tayong ipinapatupad para matulungan ang mga estudyanteng may mga disabilities o mga kapansanan. So, the first law is the IDEE. So, IDEE, it means individuals. D is disabilities, and E is education, and A is act. So the IDEE is an act for individuals, disabilities, education for all handicapped students. So IDEE is Individual with Disability Act, was previously patterned after the Public Law of 124 or the Education for All Handicapped Children Act. The specific purpose of this law includes the following. First is to ensure publicly funded special education and related services for all handicapped children no later than 1978. And second is to ensure the rights of handicapped children and their parents and guardians. And third is to relieve the special education financial burden of state and local government. And lastly is to assist and ensure the effectiveness of efforts to educate handicapped children. So the IDEE is the law to provide a special education to children with disabilities and protect their rights. Then, to ensure children with disabilities receive support like extra time, tutors, and individualized learning plans. So the next law is the NCLB. So NCLB means N is for no, C is for child, and L is left, and B is for behind. NCLB, it means no child left behind. So NCLB, no child left behind laws, it requires stronger accountability for results by specifying that schools must have challenging educational standards, test children starting grade 3 every year, and specify progress objectives that ensure proficiency of every child according to Salvia et al. 2012. So, to hold schools accountable for every student's success by testing students from grade 3 onward to ensure that every student, regardless of disabilities, reaches a minimum level of proficiency in case subject. So okay class, I have here a scenario for you to answer. So this scenario will discuss the law's idea and the NCLB to help the students. So how Jake helped by the law, NCLB, and the idea. So you need to answer. So I have here the scenario. So Jake has dyslexia and struggle with reading. How might the school use IDEE and NCLB to help him succeed? So very good everyone. So give 5 claps for everyone. So both these laws is very important and very helpful to all students with disabilities. So IDEE ensures students with disabilities get support they need, while the NCLB makes sure all students are tested and track their progress. And that's all for my report, and thank you.